Bollywood movies have come to a point where the caricature evil villain doesn't exist anymore. Movies nowadays are more grounded and try to showcase individuals that people can actually picture existing in our surroundings. Most of these negative characters that exist in films are menacing and have a dearth of absolutely any redeeming qualities. However, there are some times where even though these individuals have only evil intentions, they are absolutely hilarious and grasp all the attention from audiences. So here is Tried and Refused Productions with 5 hilarious Bollywood movie villains that stole the show. Boman Irani and Omi Vaidya in Three Idiots. Three Idiots was one of the biggest hits in Bollywood history, a movie that showcased several aspects of individuals studying in an engineering college and shedding light on emotions such as what is what we truly want to do, the concept of friendship, and always having each other's back. The purity of speaking the truth and not fearing its repercussions. All the performances in the films were spectacular. However, Boman Irani as Dr. Veeru Sahasrabuddhe, the director of the engineering college, who has traditional and regressive ways of teaching and does not like being challenged or opposed, his sheer stubbornness and frustration in the film was hilarious to witness. Similarly, Omi Vaidya as Chatur, a thick, unique accent, an over-competitive sycophant, and an individual we have all seen in our college or school lives. Silencer was one character that remained in our hearts forever, and made us laugh mainly due to his weird quirks, insecurities, and character flaws. Vijay Raj in Delhi Belly, a movie about 3 friends leading an unkempt and debt-ridden life in a shady apartment in Delhi in order to make the big buck. The 3 friends get into a whole lot of trouble. From gang members to foreign dealers, from scam artists to kidnappings, the entire movie takes you through every possible problem. Even though the 3 main leads put forth praiseworthy performances, Vijay Raj as the villain looking for the diamonds that have been misplaced in this confusing turn of events is effortlessly funny. The man's intention is not to place jokes in torrid situations. However, with his poker face expressions and witty replies, you can't help yourself but laugh every time the character comes on the screen. An example of a talented actor who with little to no effort can have a profound impact in the movie. Prakash Raj in Wanted, an official remake of the Telugu film Pokiri. Wanted, directed by Prabhu Deva, was a smash hit and paved the way for Salman Khan's successive hits and rise to superstardom again. Even though the film was over the top in its moments, it was an entertaining package destined to be a commercial success. Prakash Raj, however, as Ghani Bhai, absolutely stole the show with his comic timing. He has successfully done the funny villain in several films such as Singham, Hero Panti, and Dabangg 2, but we feel he was the most impressive in this film. The moment things are getting intense in the film or Ghani Bhai is trying to escape from a dire situation, you can't help but laugh at Prakash Raj's hysterical antics. An actor who is an absolute legend in the South Indian film industry, featuring in hundreds of films, was such a refreshing change to how villains are portrayed in Hindi movies. Prakash Raj, trying to escape as he is kidnapped and surrounded by guards who have slept, is still one of the funniest moments from the film.
जाके कमिश्नर से मेरा डील सेट करना जाना बात कर
Nana Patekar in Bluff Master, an extremely underrated film that many people don't give its due credit to, is the 2005 film Bluff Master. A premise extremely similar to the Argentinian film Nine Queens, the movie takes us through the journey of a con man and how through multiple establishments, the man and his right-hand man con individuals on a daily basis. In this extremely fun and thrilling film, Nana Patekar as Chandrakant Parekh totally stole the show. A narcissist who has an extremely big ego, a man who does daily aarti of himself and is not affected by being conned but by the principle that somebody disrespected him. The final sequence of him leaving Priyanka Chopra, who is captured, is still one of the funniest bits from the movie.
Chandru bhai, मैं जाऊं?
Hey, bhai mat bol.
Sorry.
Bhai mat bol, emotional हो जाता हूँ मैं. राखी का दिन याद आ जाता है. हाँ. कभी-कभी अहिंसा का पथ पकड़ना पड़ता है. चल जा.
Nawazuddin Siddiqui in Kick. An official remake of the 2009 Telugu film Kick, the Salman Khan, Jacqueline Fernandez and Randeep Hooda starrer, was a blockbuster financially. It had everything that a commercial film needed. Over-the-top action, an engaging storyline, great music and some great supporting character performances. And oh yeah, one more thing, Salman Khan. However, Nawazuddin Siddiqui as Shiv Gajra truly stole the show. His laughter, antics and spontaneous reactions to situations truly grasped the audience's attention. You would always wonder what the character's next move or comeback dialogue is going to be, and despite his brief appearance, Nawazuddin didn't fail to surprise us with his effortless performance.
लेकिन एक बात बताओ, एक बच्ची को बचाने के लिए इतने सारे लोगों की बैंड बजा दी, ये कहानी उसी बच्ची के साथ शुरू।
अरे ए मारो इसको।
And that was the list, guys. Write it down in the comments below if you have some video ideas for our channel. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The handle's right in front of you. Follow me at JammyPants4. Also, please support us by smashing the like button and subscribing to our channel for weekly content ahead. Thank you for watching.